You can easily fix the P1400 engine code by cleaning the EGR valve. This code indicates a problem with the EGR system or related sensors and components, and may cause symptoms like rough idling, stalling, or poor fuel economy. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So here is the practical solution to fix the P1400 error code at home. The EGR valve. Looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear of the engine, just to the right side of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it up with the WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours for the solvent to get rid of all the carbon buildups. After the clean EGR valve gets dry, reinstall it back in the car. If it is too dirty to be cleaned, you may replace it with a new EGR valve. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.